All right, so today we have the WWE Topps Chrome brand new 2025 box. This right here is a mega box. I got it on release day, which was January 31st. Well, I should say I bought it on release day. Today is February 11th. It finally came. I bought it at retail price. So, and I had like $4 in fan cash. I bought it from Fanatics, by the way, directly from Fanatics. And I think total out the door with because I got free shipping and like $4 in fan cash. It was like 58 and some change. That's retail. That was retail I paid. Now today I went to go get some top loaders from a trading card store. I saw this same mega box plus other. They had a hobby box there for like $300. It's already the market value. So they're saying is already so high. They were selling mega boxes for $100 each. So like I said, this thing's already worth double than what I paid for it, and it's only been less than 2 weeks. So let's get into it, shall we? Let's open her up. Like I said, it is the 2025 edition. There you go. Unwrapped from the TOPPS plastic. Like I said, this was just delivered today, so sorry for for that rough opening there. That was I wasn't prepared. I forgot to put a knife near me. Anyway, so this says it comes with 6 packs, and then 48 total cards. It also says that there are 10 exclusive X-Fractors per box. It also says to look for randomly inserted autographs and find randomly inserted exclusive refractors. So, will we get any autographs? I guess we'll see. I don't know. Obviously, that'd be awesome. But these things are sold out now. Like they just released on January 31st, and now they're already sold out. So as we open the box here, take out our styrofoam. There we go. There's our packs. I'm going to set our box to the side. Okay, let's hope we get something good. Starting with this first one. Cross our fingers, guys. Well, these things feel like they're great quality, I gotta say. All right. So first off, we got a Kalani Jordan. Stone Cold Steve Austin, the man. I love that. Alexa Bliss. Ignore my Alexa. Okay, we have a numbered 102 out of 150 Jimmy Uso. That's awesome. Put that one right here. Batista, Carmella, Kevin Nash, and Elektra Lopez. That's cool. So out of that first pack, these are obviously our biggest pulls. All right, so moving on to our next pack.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Alexa, stop. Sorry. Moving on to our next pack. Go ahead. Let's open this bad boy. Already see a Santos Escobar in there. All right, AJ Styles just returned too. Love that. Lash Legend. Sonya Deville. Allen and Ginter, Alundra Blaze, excuse me. How about that? That's sick. Dakota Kai and Bronco Nima. Naomi and Santos, like we saw. All right, moving on to our next pack. Malik Blade. Axiom. I know somebody who loves that guy. Wolfgang. Oh, that's pretty sick. AOP, Acom and Razor. I mean, they were just released, so nice. Joe Coffey, Cruz del Toro, Ariana Grace, and Kathy Kelly. All right, 3 more packs to go. Windy Chew. John Cena, nice. Oh, what is that? Hold on. I like that John Cena card, though. I know it's just a basic or a base card, but still, it's his last year. Look at that. We got a Thea Hell number 1 of 150. That is awesome. Thea Hell, 1 of 150. Auto. Road Dog, Allen Ginter, and Eddie Thorpe. Sorry, I didn't think I was going to get any autos, so that actually took me by surprise. Last 2 packs, here we go. Open her up. Sean Spears. Sheamus. Hold on. Sorry, I just realized something about this one. Yeah, that's a refractor. My bad. Totally missed that rainbow refractor there. Kyrie Zane. Let's go ahead and put that in. Sorry, back to as we were. Sheamus. Dragon Lee. Wow. Titletown, Intercontinental Championship, Raw, Gunther. That's pretty cool. Devon Dudley, legend. Bret the Shitman Hart. I should get to send that to my buddy AJ, my co-host on the podcast. All right, last pack. Yeah. Tongaloa. I already see it. Oh, Bray Wyatt. Love that. Dexter Loomis. Noam Dar. We got a silver throwback CM Punk. That's pretty sick. A Mick Foley. A Randy Orton. Javier Bernal and a Tongaloa. Sorry, I thought it was Tonga, not Tongaloa. All right, so just to recap what we got here, we just opened our mega box. We just opened our mega box here, which was 6 packs, 48 cards. There's a chance for an autograph. There's 10 exclusive X Fractors per box, and there could be some randomly inserted exclusive refractors as well. So let's recap what we got here. We got, and these are all of our best cards. There's 2 piles of base cards we have over there too. We got Mick Foley, Dakota Kai, Bronco Nima, Joe Coffey, Eddie Thorpe, Randy Orton, Bret the Hitman Hart, or the Shit Man as I like to say, Devon Dudley, legend, get the tables. It's Baptista, as Santino would say. Carmella. Moving on, we have the Allen. We have 2 Allen and Ginthers in here. One's Road Dogg, and one is Alundra Blaze. Then I have this AOP. They just got released, so you probably won't see them in too many more packs like that get released after this. But we have a Title Town with Gunther for the IC Championship, which we all know was his longest reigning too. Then we have 2 Rainbow Refractors, Cruz del Toro and Kairi Sane. Then we have a throwback CM Punk here, silver, and a numbered 10 of 150 Jimmy Uso. And the last card we got here, of course, was the auto 1 of 150 numbered Thea Hale from Chase U from NXT. So that's pretty awesome. I think this box went well. Definitely be buying more at retail, of course. Like I said, I bought this one at retail, $58. Now they're charging them for $100 plus. So yeah, I ain't about that. But thanks for watching. If you like this, if you want me to do more videos like this, I will in the future. But I enjoyed this and keep on keeping on.